mean, why are we still entering the same personal information over and over again every time we go online? Endless amounts of street addresses, account numbers, URLs, first name, last name, credit card info, birth date, email address, postal codes. Frustrating, huh?
What about logging in? How are we supposed to remember endless usernames and passwords?
It's a waste of my time, and it's only getting worse.
And don't even get me started on security.
Do we really think that our personal information is secure? With QKey, you control the new internet. No more keyloggers, no more purchasing on corrupted browsers, no more phishing scams. It all happens on the key.
After years of engineering, continuous improvements, and rigorous testing, we're ready to change the digital world forever. Welcome to the new internet.
The DoubleFlex Black. It's fitness that fits your lifestyle. The DoubleFlex Black is built to withstand your toughest workout. Patented SpiraFlex resistance technology trains opposing muscle groups with each movement, helping you build a balanced body in less time. And we know it works. NASA used this same technology to train its astronauts in the International Space Station. A NASA study proved that SpiraFlex resistance increased lean muscle as efficient as free weights. But unlike free weights, you only need one DoubleFlex Black. You can work out anywhere, anytime. The DoubleFlex Black delivers joint-friendly resistance training, so you can work out pain-free. You can even add new challenges to your regular workout routine. With the DoubleFlex Black, you get access to an entire gym's worth of resources for one low price.